नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम ललित गुप्ता है and I'm the Vice President at JR Compliance. Being a responsible compliance company, we feel it is our responsibility to educate the society on what is compliance. And continuing to that responsibility, today we are going to talk about BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. इसे हम सब भारतीय मानक ब्यूरो के नाम से भी जानते हैं. दोस्तों, हर देश के पास every country has its own standardizing body which makes sure that the products which are being manufactured and supplied within the country and outside the country, the products are good, of good quality, they are safe, they are of good performance. And इन सब चीज़ों को अचीव करने के लिए there has to be a body जो कि उसके लिए गाइडलाइंस ड्राफ्ट करती है, which can be referred by the manufacturers, by the engineers, by the technicians to make sure कि जो प्रोडक्ट वो बना रहे हैं वो प्रोडक्ट एग्जैक्टली वैसा ही बन रहा है जैसी कि गाइडलाइंस दी गई हैं. सो सेम वे इंडिया हैज इट्स ऑन स्टैंडर्डाइजिंग बॉडी दैट इज नोन एज ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड्स. भारतीय मानक ब्यूरो इंटरनेशनल इलेक्ट्रोटेक्निकल कमीशन के साथ जो स्टैंडर्ड्स इंटरनेशनली बनते हैं उन स्टैंडर्ड्स के बेस पे इंडियन कंडीशंस को देखते हुए दे ड्राफ्ट द स्टैंडर्ड्स विच आर रेफर्ड बाय द मैन्युफैक्चरर्स in order to make sure that their products are competitive, their products are good to be used in India at the same time at international level. So Bureau of Indian Standards mainly talks about three processes whenever we talk about the product level certification. So product level certification में जो first आता है that is known as CRS, compulsory registration scheme. Second one is known as ISI. I'm sure कि हम सब ने ISI mark बहुत सारे products पे देखा है. And third one which talks about foreign manufacturers is known as FMCS, Foreign Manufacturer Certification Scheme. Today we are going to talk about the renewal process of BIS CRS. As we know that CRS is compulsory registration scheme, and this scheme is mainly applicable to IT and electronic products. It's not that all the IT and electronics are covered, but I would say that majority of them are covered under this. So be it your mobile phone, be it a smartwatch, and be it your Bluetooth headset, your AirPods, everything is covered under CRS. But at the same time, as I told to you, it's not that everything is covered. So like your portable coffee machines, your car dash cams, your car headlights, right? These products, though they are electrical and electronics and IT, but they are not covered. So coming to the renewal process, so it's an online process, and every manufacturer when registers with BIS, they get the login ID and password. So first the manufacturer has to log in using the credentials, and then they can start the renewal process. And the renewal process of CRS can be started well beforehand. It can be started before 3 months of the expiry of the existing license. So in order to start, first a request is to be raised, and the documents which are required are a Form 9. And at the same time they have to provide the quantity that they have marked with BIS CRS mark during the previous year, and they have to provide the consignee details, the customers to whom the products were sold out in bulk, and they have to mention how many R numbers are active under that particular license, and they have to pay the requisite fee obviously. एंड इसके साथ साथ जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स आप लगा रहे हैं वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स पे साइन एंड स्टैम्प होगा मैन्युफैक्चरर का एंड AIR, and AIR is authorized Indian representative. It's a designation, so the person who has been designated as AIR has to sign the documents and seal the documents along with the manufacturer. And this license is valid for 2 years. So once it is renewed, the manufacturer can sit back, relax, and continue the business for another 2 years, and then this process is to be repeated when the 2 years are approaching and the license can be renewed. This was about the renewal process of BIS. So अगर आपको कोई, आई एम श्योर कि आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू कवर इट इन टू निटिग्रिटीज. इफ यू स्टिल हैव क्वेश्चंस विच आई एम श्योर देर आर, सो आप हमें अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. आपकी स्क्रीन पर आपको हमारा ईमेल आईडी, व्हाट्सएप नंबर, फ़ोन नंबर फ्लैश हो रहा है. हम आपके लिए हर समय आपको सर्विस देने के लिए रेडी हैं. जस्ट रीच आउट टू अस एंड वी वुड लव टू आंसर योर क्वेरीज. थैंक यू दोस्तों.